See, this is good because I'm luring the trout in from far away, and then we have these two scrumptious worms just waiting for it to be bitten. What about Mr. Bean?
I don't remember which movie he did that he said this in, but I think he was going to France, right?
Uh-huh.
And he goes, oui, non. And the person goes, your French is very good. He goes, gracias.
Oh, yeah. I remember that. I'm doing my fish dance. One time when I was fishing in New Hampshire, at this cottage that we rent every year, I decided to attract the fish with a Native American ritual. And then like 10 minutes later, like a school of like 15 bass over like 2 pounds showed up, and I caught one of them. And the even funnier thing was that when I caught one, all the others just stood there looking up at it as I was holding it out of the water. I don't know, it just is. It's the curse of the trout. See, a lot of fishermen don't utilize the dancing technique as you're retrieving, but if you sway with the water, the fish are more likely to bite it because they associate that movement with... I just hit a rock again and I thought it was... God dang it. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna be real with you, I don't even know
What did you do?
I didn't even do anything.
I'm kidding.
I didn't even know this happened. I just felt like the more I looked at it, the more
Oh, Jesus. Jesus. What? How did that happen?
I don't know.
Where'd he go? Did you eat it?
Yeah, I ate it.
Alright. You can go start fishing or doing homework or whatever. Oh, yeah.
Brother, I like that.
Rain? You like it?
I like that.
Are you serious or not? Oh, yeah. I like the rain.
They're just gonna bite.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious.
Am I gonna bite?
Time for the rain jacket. Hey Armin. So those bites were actually rocks?
Rock.
Yeah. Ready? Watch this.
Banger. Alright, there's a heavier one. I could really back.
You're not fishing if you're fishing. You're not fishing if you're not fishing in the rain. Okay, this is kind of... Nah, dude, it's not cold.
I'm down.
That was me. No. I wish, dude.
Hey, no wrong this time. Let's go.
Hey. Yo, these fish better get riled up. We're not even getting rained on that much.
No, we're not.
It's all out there. And like the wind isn't that bad either. Wait, what? Oh my God.
Pop up.
No, there's another dead fish. Dude, I have one. Oh my God. I'm recording. What is this? Reel in. Dude, oh my God. What is this fish? Dude, no, that's mine. Oh no, we tangled. It's fine. Oh my God, is this a trout? Ah!
Let's go, dude.
Dude! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Beautiful.
I finally caught a trout. Here, can you go grab my net over there? Holy shit, guys. Oh my God, guys.
Amazing.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful fish. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut. Ooh. Ay, 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 ay.
We're helping you, bud.
Chill. Now I just gotta get this hook out. Okay. Now we're gonna revive him and then get some shots. Ready?
Did you see the jump?
I know, that jump was insane. Beautiful rainbow trout, guys.
Let me see that. Let me see the color.
Awesome fish. It's important to wet your hands before you handle these guys because they're really. There he goes! Look at that! Oh my god. Dude, rain's coming down.
Give me some. Come on now.
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh!
The curse.
The curse is broken.
Lifted, my guy. It was lifted.
Of course, all of that would happen. Like the lure snapped off and then it got caught in the net and then I had to
Everything went wrong.
Thank God you had a knife because dude, we tangled our rods. Of course we tangled. That's why I was like, reel in right now or else, because he was skirting across, dude. Oh my God. Well, the trout curse is broken. That was awesome. First trout ever. We're gonna get back to fishing. Thanks for watching, and here we go.
I thought I was going fast enough that I wouldn't have hit it.
Dude, it hasn't sunk in yet. Holy crap, that was my first ever trout. They're such a pretty fish. Rainbow trouts, oh my God.
Yeah, when I cast, I kind of throw it out there, right? And then I go like that, and I'm holding it, and I'll just put a light. So
All right, let's see if we can demonstrate. Dude, this water, oh my God.
If I really put effort into it,
Let's see if we can demonstrate. Ready?
yeah.
Yeah, you are getting old. Brown trout. No, I hooked one. Brown trout, brook trout, lake trout. That trout species, that's my first goal was just to catch a trout. Now I gotta rattle
How
off.
about Armenian rainbow trout?
Yes.
Yeah, that's another one.
How big do they get?
They get a lot bigger than that.
You okay? Ah!